Installation real quick. So, was the installation okay?
Installation was awesome.
And the installer was amazing.
Yeah, installer was very nice. His name's Clark, and we like Clark.
It's so fast.
Okay.
Yeah, he came
Like
he
10
came. We
minutes.
called him like 2 hours ago in a panic, and he just showed up, and it was awesome.
And he did it in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And I hope they're giving this to me. Or if not, here's a free pitch for this CD. Everyone go out and get this CD called Gladshot. So if
Yeah.
you buy an air conditioner, okay, make sure you get Gladshot when you buy an air conditioner. All right. Thanks a lot, guys.